I made this Stanier in Melon Sandbox. This sadly doesn't have side rods. Working whistle. Even has a decoy whistle for more detail. The whole mechanics for this is inspired by at Melonland. Even moves. Here are all of the rods that I used. Breakable as well. Time to move on to the A1 Pacific. This is the A1 that I made. Has more detail. Even has the back bogie. It even has its own tender. Coupler system was inspired by at Melonland as well. The back bogie can still break. Also destroyable. Bye guys. See you in the next video.